There we go. Anyway, started it, a little cold. So, what else? Let's see. We'll walk around here. That little single card. Inside, we have that battery sitting on the floor. That noise that I had, this piece of metal here, I was working here, I got bent over. Was rubbing a little bit on that drive line. So that transmission and that drive line are all specialty units. Pretty clean glass. And the back, of course. These are the floorboards. Little dusty down there. Fuel tank is back there. It's all cleaned out. I put this on here to make it a little bit easier to put gas in. And it paints the rims and stuff like original. And miscellaneous parts box, these need to go on. This is the one that's shipped. The others are fine. The rubber grommet's a little tired looking. Here. Ziploc bag. These are interior door parts. This is for the steering column, held on by 2 screws, I think, or 4, one or the other. Turn signal thing, that's just an extra one. Here's an extra set of points, I think. Bumper, I already put the bumper on. And of course, we got straight exhaust. Got the upgraded swing axle. Only the mildest amount of corrosion on this thing. Like I say, the rubber strips, there's one on each side that goes on here. And there's a piece, you put a piece on there, they just clip on. Pretty much old school. Man, get in here. So this, that transmission, so you'll see, I'll ship it through all 5. I've got this cover off, it's over on the shop floor. Anyway, but here's first, second, third. Nice quiet transmission. There's fourth. Says we're going 15 miles an hour, I guess. We're sitting still, and then of course up here for 5th, and then reverse goes over. I can't remember, how do I do that? Oh yeah, lock it up like that. Got to push down, over, down, and then up. There's a little notch there, and then of course there's reverse. What else is there? That's for the bright. Anyway, this articulates this way. And then the turn signal thing is this one. I don't know if it lights up or not. It's supposed to be green. I don't see it. Oh yeah, let's see, I'm gonna turn it off. Key is down here, under there. Oh, the emergency brake is right there. Okay. What else? Can't think of anything else. Oh, I guess I could put the hood down. I can do it one-handed. Find out. Just lock it up with these Marconi switch latches, I guess you'd say. And that's all there is to putting the bonnet down. Anyway. Yeah, for an old car, still looks pretty classy. I forgot. Let's check something here. Oh yeah, I forgot. The windshield wipers, they work, of course. And I have the lights disconnected because this switch was faulty. It kept kind of wiggling on and off, so I just pulled. There's two wires. I pulled them off. Yep. Fire's right up. Of course, it's a little bit warm now. Anyway. Piece of duct tape under there. I was using that to do something one day. I forgot to pull it off. I'll have to go in there and grab it. I'm trying to keep from scratching my hand. Okay. Anyway, and of course the hood thing. Just the reverse of the lift it up. I'll just this thing here just goes forward and catches, and that's it. Anyway, let's see. There's that 305 engine I'm building here. This is all new. It'll be a nice engine. Oh, and here's the bow for the top. Like I say, it's all there. What the heck else is there? Oh, yeah. And then there's the, I've got these miscellaneous parts down here that I took off that car. They need to be gone through and sanded and painted. The wings for the radiator there. I think that'd be best if it was really for hot weather. Oh, there's the other seat sitting there. That's the one for the, that's actually the driver's side. I just switched and put the passenger side on the driver's side because it was a bit in better shape. This is that vinyl top or piece that fits all the way. I think it snaps. Yeah, it snaps back into these things here. They're across there. It catches there, and then you anchor it down back here wherever you locate the rivets. The rivets were right in here. Yeah, and this is for a hard top, these screws here. If you got the hard top, you catch and bolt down to that. Some people put the metal or the fiberglass hard top on. Anyway, I'm going to stop right here.